how to change a topic association or remove a topic or a page from your project. In your dashboard, find the page that you're interested in, and if you click on the blue title of the page, then this bar will come across. This brings in actually the contents. You can check your content that we've read on the page. But if you click on the topic tab, then here you can either remove the topic, in this case cottage, and once you've done that you can associate the topic to another concept. So that's now done that, or you can associate it then to another topic. I like to put in a Wikipedia page. However, you can choose one of the ideas that we've already got. So I can bring cottage back in, for example, and then save at the bottom, this big blue bar at the bottom. Let's put it back, and then if you wanted to delete the page altogether, you have another button over here called Actions. And Actions allows you to update the analysis if you've changed the content on the web page since we last analyzed it. You can update the links so it can go through the rest of the knowledge graph and work out whether the links are correct. Or you can remove the article altogether and take it out of the system. That's it. The article's been removed. Close. If I refresh this page now, the page has disappeared.